natin ng Pilipinas, 200 na lang natitira. Philippine crocodile first found in Mindoro Island. That's why the scientific name is crocodile. Crocodilus mindorensis. Okay? Mindorensis dahil NC, ang ibig sabihin ng sa Latin word, belonging to. Okay? Belonging to Mindoro. Okay? Ayan mga third guys, that's two species of crocodile. Ayan mga kaibigan, saltwater crocodile and the Philippine freshwater crocodile. And kapag sasabihin ko lang ng information, abutan ko tayo ng hapon. So question and answer na lang po. There questions? Most frequently asked question, paano malalaman kung babae o lalaki ang isang crocodile? Alam niyo na? How can you identify whether it is male or female? Okay, ano siya?
Male.
Male. Alright? Sexual dimorphism ang tawag natin dyan. Okay? Ayan, physical appearance, physical look. Okay, ay mga kaibigan, nalaman niyo kung babae o lalaki. Sa crocodile, it is applicable, so insert your finger inside